So here is a quick video to show you how you can learn anything faster. Now we all know that YouTube is the best platform to learn something. There are a lot of videos on every single topic you can imagine, but only if you have the patience to sit through a 1 hour long video, which is not the case with me at least. You can see I have got a lot of videos which I have saved. I don't have time usually when I come across them, so I save it for later, but it's still there. It keeps piling up and I don't have time to learn about it. Now I know that the argument is that if you're serious enough, you should make time for such things. But let's be honest, we all struggle with this. So the best solution is to summarize YouTube videos. Thanks to AI, it is possible to summarize the videos quite accurately. Now, if you go to Google Chrome Web Store and search for YouTube summary, you will get a lot of Google Chrome extensions that will let you summarize any video that is on YouTube. But my favorite tool is Sider.AI, and this is the tool which I have installed. What it basically does is whenever you are on a video, for example, let me pull one of the videos from my watch list. Okay, so this is the video. It's 10-minute long and not really that important that I go through the entire video. I just want to see what the person is talking about. If I'm on this page, Sider AI will summarize this video for me, and it is pretty accurate at summarizing. Now Sider AI has got paid plans as well, which lifts the limitation the free version has. I think it will allow you to summarize 2 to 3 videos per day. So there is a limitation, but if you want to get rid of this limitation, you can do exactly this right inside ChatGPT. Let me open ChatGPT, and if you go to explore GPTs, here you will find YouTube Summarizer. Here you will find a lot of YouTube Summarizer GPTs. You can select any of them and then start chatting. All you have to do is just copy the link of the video which you want to summarize and paste it over here. It will transcribe and analyze that video and summarize it for me. I will have to click on always allow to give it the permissions to access it, and now you can see it has perfectly summarized everything, and you can see that it is perfectly summarizing the entire video. And the best part is that there is no limitations of using this inside ChatGPT like it is inside AI or any other tool. You can also ask it questions, like if you want to write an article or get a diagram or anything, you can ask it questions on the basis of the summary of that video and you will get answers. ChatGPT will use its own brain to give you the answer on that particular topic. So it's amazing at learning something the fastest way possible. And now you don't have to watch a 1 hour long video to learn about it. And now the question is, why do you need to summarize a YouTube video? When you go to YouTube, you can see a person talking about that video and go through their channel. Maybe you have watched other videos of them and you know that they know about this topic. Unlike you go to a website and you read an article, you don't know who has written this article. Maybe it is written by ChatGPT or any other AI tool. So once you have that trust, you can summarize that video and actually get the information out of it using AI. I think this is the best solution to learning something faster. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.